Numberblock fans! In today's video, we're going to explore the number block 5 and 6 times table. This is because the multiplication table is very important for me, you guys, and everyone. Alright, let's go to the number block 5 times table. Here is our number block 5. Number block 5 is made out of 5 blocks. Well, number block 5 has the star-shaped eye at the left eye because one star has 5 points. So 1 lot of 5 is 5. So I have 1 5. 1 lot of 5 is 5. Here is another 5. We got 2 5s. And let's change the number block 5 in the another position. And then we put the another 5 and take out the number link first. We put the another 5 on, so we got 2 lots of 5s. So 2 lots of 5s are 10. 10 is made out of 2 lots of 5s. She has 2 star-shaped eye because one star has 5 points, so 2 stars has 10 points. So 2 lots of 5s are 10. And here is another 5. We got 3 lots of 5s. So 3 lots of 5s are 15. 15 is made out of 3 5s. But she has the step-shaped mask. It's because she's the member of the Step Squad Club. She has the dark blue step-shaped mask. It's because she's made out of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and plus 5. And here is another 5. 4 lots of 5s are 20. 20 is made out of 4 5s. Well, 20, you see, he has the glasses just like number block 2. Because 20 is also made out of 2 10s. Well, 2 10s, which means he loves to dance, especially the 2 10s tango. Wow, the name looks good, looks cute, right? And here is the another 5. We've got 5 lots of 5s or 25. 25 is made out of 5 5s. Well, 25 has the square-shaped eye because she's the 5th member of the Square Club. That's why she has 2 spiky 5 eyebrows. She represents 125. Let's add the another 5. So we got 6 lots of 5s or 30. 30 is made out of 6 5s. But also she has the face just like number block 3 because 30 can split into 10 3s. Let's flip the rectangle. There. Here is our number block 30. And here is our number block 5 again. So we've got 7 lots of 5s or 35. 35 is made out of 7 5s. He has the 5 flowers with 7 colors, so 5 lots of 7s are 35. 35 loves to make the lucky 7 5s rainbow sunshine. Alright, let's add the another 5. So here is another 5. We got 8 lots of 5s or 40. Number block 40 is made out of 8 4s or 4 10s. That's why he has the face just like number block 4 and he can make rectangles except the squares because he's not a square unlike the number block 4. And here is another 5. So 9 lots of 5s or 45. 45 is made out of 9 5s or 5 9s. She's the member of the Super Rectangle Club. Well, 45 has the step-shaped mask because she's the 9th member of the Step Squad Club. Her eyes are gray and her mouth is blue, so 9 lots of 5s are 45. But now last but not least, we got another 5. So 10 lots of 5s are 50. Number block 50 is made out of 10 5s. She has the star-shaped eye just like number block 5 because number block 5 loves to rock and roll. That's why number block 50 loves to rock and roll too. And that was the end of the number block 5 times table. Let's go to the another times table. Here is our number block 6. Number block 6 is made out of 6 1. She has the dots because she has the dice to play the board game. And also, number block 6 has a pattern palette and make her own rhyme. And we got only 1 6. 1 lot of 6 is 6. And I have the another 6. Let's change the rectangle formation. There. Let's add 6 on each other. So we got 2 6s. 2 lots of 6s are 12. 12 is made out of 2 6s. It's because number block 12 can make rectangles. Because she can make 6 rectangles, she is the member of the Super Rectangle Club. Alright, let's add the another 6 again. So we got 3 6s. So 3 lots of 6 are 18. 18 is made out of 3 6s. Well, 18 is also the member of the Super Rectangle Club, just like his sister, 12. Alright, let's add the another 6 again. Here is the another 6. So we got 4 lots of 6s. So 4 lots of 6s are 24. 24 is the member of the Super Rectangle Club and also the member of the Super Duper Rectangle Club because 24 can make rectangles more than 12 and 18, which means she can make 8 rectangles. 7 rectangles only the super rectangles only. Anyways, let's add the another 6 again. And here there is another 6. So we got 5 6s. 5 lots of 6s are 30. Number block 30 is made out of 5 6s or 3 10s or 10 3s. That's why her face of the number block 30 just like number block 3. However, 30's crown is different from number block 3 because it's just like a golden crown to make her own circus. Let's change 30 into 5x6 rectangle formation. Alright, let's add the another 6 again. We've got 6 lots of 6s. 6 lots of 6s are 36. 36 is made out of 30 light yellow blocks and 6 indigo blocks. Well, 36 is also made out of 6 6s, which means he's the 6th member of the Square Club, but also he's the 8th member of the Step Squad Club. That's why he has the step-shaped mask is pink. Let's add the another 6. Well, anyways, let's change number box 36 into 4 blocks. Alright, let's add the another 6. So 7 lots of 6 are 42. Number block 42 is made out of 6 7s. Well, 6 7s, you see, the teleporter belt. The rainbow belt is rainbow, so it represents 7. And the bucket at the middle with the 6 dots represent the number block 6. So 7 times 6 is 42. Sometimes he teleports, turns into 6 sevens or 7 sixes. Let's change the number block 42 into 6 7 by 6. Alright, I changed the number block 42 into 7 by 6 rectangle formation now. Here's the another 6. So I've got 8 lots of 6 are 48. 48 is made out of 6 eights or 8 sixes. Well, you see, 48 has the eyebrows. One left eyebrow is purple or indigo, and one right eyebrow is pink. So purple is 6 and pink is 8. So 6 times 8 equals 48. Next, we have the another 6. So 9 lots of 6 are 54. 54 is made out of 9 sixes. And he is the great game galore. And he has 9 pattern to represent the number block 9. And the middle is the times or the multiplication sign. And the right one has the 6 dots. So it represents 6. So 9 lots of 6 are 54. Last but not least, we've got the another 6. So we got 10 lots of 6 are 60. Number block 60 is made out of 6 tens. Let's change the rectangle. Alright, 60 has the face identical to the number block 6. It's because 60 is made out of 10 sixes or 6 tens. And number block 60 is the super gamer. That's why she has the big eyes with eyelashes just like number block 6. And it has 3 eyelashes at the right, at the left and the right. And the eyes are big to represent 10. So 10 times 2 equals 20 and 20 times 3 equals 60. And that was the end of today's video of the multiplication table 5 and 6 times table. If you enjoyed this video, you can click like, subscribe and bell icon for more notification from my new videos. Anyway, see you next time. Bye bye.